How to cancel Adobe subscription without fee. So in order to cancel your subscription, there are many terms that Adobe has in order to cancel it. You can see when you scroll down, there are different types of subscription plans and different terms for each of the subscription plans. So you can see a bunch of subscriptions here. Let's see this annual contract subscription. So here it says if you cancel a subscription of annual, you need to give the 50% to them, even if you cancel the subscription, which is a lot to give as a compensation. So in order to cancel that, you can follow this method. Follow this method, just tap on contact us, contact to their support team, and tell them your financial situation or explain to them how you can't provide them with your 50% and how you want to cancel a subscription without any payment fee. Maybe they will reject for once or twice, but after telling them again and again, maybe they will consider your subscription cancellation. So therefore, by following this method, you can cancel your Adobe subscription without any fee. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.